Next is tangy raspberry fizzy drink Wham. Yo, what's happening everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Rate My Supermarket. And today, I'm Michael.
I'm Isabel.
And we're the same every day. Today or tomorrow, both. And today we're trying Wham drink from B&M by Bassett's. Basically, so we all know like the sort of fruit salad, you know, like chewy little sweets. Well, we all remember Wham bars. They were like pink, very sour and sweet. Have you tried one before?
No.
Probably not. I've not tried one, but I'm quite familiar with them, even though I never used to get them a lot. We all know, I know what they are, even though they weren't, and they were always tasting amazing. So I hope this tastes how the sweets taste, so you can you can see what it tastes like.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. So it's a tangy raspberry fizzy drink. We've got these glasses. I got from Asda for £1, the Marvel.
Nice.
Short drink that. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's try it. Yeah, it's very good because it has that tangy side of it. Yeah, it's very good. I like this taste. I don't know if it's the same of the sweets, but we will see. What do you think?
I don't think so. I think it's nice, and it does have that tang. They just come afterwards, I think. I don't know. I think aftertaste, it tastes more like it. Like almost identically, to be fair. You've got almost an identical taste. But it's more of an aftertaste, I think. I don't know, you don't get it immediately. It just tastes like a raspberry pop. Well, then I think afterwards your mouth kind of keeps exploding.
Yeah.
With the tanginess.
Yeah, it's like the tangy, yeah, because the tangy is something that it seems that it gets pronounced after. Yeah.
You drink it. Yeah. Like a little electric shocks all over your tongue. Yeah.
A kind of. Not that much. He is exaggerating a bit.
Maybe a little bit. It is actually really tangy though, isn't it?
It is, indeed. So it's good. I would repeat. Yeah. And it should be, and it is a fresh drink anyway.
It's £1, 850 millilitres, so just less than a litre. What would you rate this out of 10?
An 8.
I'll give it an 8. I think 8's fair score. It's a nice drink.
Yeah, and it's fresh, and it has a different taste. It has that tangy side of it. Yeah.
It really is tangy. Yeah, so I think I'd buy this again. Maybe not so regularly, but here and there.
Yeah.
I'd think, I fancy a little Wham drink. From B&M for £1. So get yours at B&M.
Here we are.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
A little Marvel glass.
Yeah, which is one of favourites of Mike. And anyway, please, I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We will really appreciate that. And we will be here for another video
Tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Who are they? Well, not totally. There's still your work to come, but